Backyard.
Give me my video camera. I want to take.
Say what I'm thirsty.
This is yummy. 5 inches.
Winston.
No, Logan, don't get my foot wet. It's not wet. He's like, I want it. I want it. Wait, what are you? You can't even see Holly. Holly's not in here. Dad, get Holly out here.
No, I don't want to have to worry about where the dogs are. Winston, come here. Winston, come.
Dad, he's not doing anything.
He's going to go over to the West house. I don't want him over there.
Dad, is it even recording? Winston. Don't throw snow at me.